Hi, and welcome to Nespon Quick Talk. I am Mike Beck, Head of Marketing for Nespon Solutions, and today I'm joined by Jason Carter, Senior Vice President of Delivery for Nespon. And Jason, I wanted to get your perspective on Salesforce bringing industries into the automatic upgrade path starting in spring of 2024.
Yeah, Mike. Hey, thanks. Happy to chat here. So I think most people by now have heard early next year within the industry framework. So for example, Communications Cloud will be moving to the yearly cadence of releases that Salesforce has in terms of automatic upgrades going forward starting in spring of 24. Really what that means is that today, if you're using Communications Cloud, you're manually scheduling your upgrades and manually conducting those upgrades via managed packages. This will now move away from clients having to manually coordinate that, do regression testing and schedule that, and we'll put them into that automatic flow. Of course, the benefits are you have the regular release windows, you'll be able to have the sandboxes to regression test, you'll take advantage of new functionality, and all of the benefits that being on that regular release cadence brings to clients.
Got it. Okay. That definitely clears it up, and I see a lot of benefit for customers to get into this automatic upgrade path. Now, for organizations that are not prepared for automatic upgrade release, what are some critical things that you believe that they should think about, plan for, consider as they get their organizations truly ready?
Yeah, I mean, the biggest one, of course, is around customizations. When you think about clients that have past implementations of Communications Cloud, they may have custom integrations. They may have older Angular components instead of Lightning Web components. There are various things there that the new upgrade and the new path could play a little havoc with. And so what we're trying to recommend to folks is that you come in, install one of the new 2024 sandbox copies, get a copy of your production code for Communications Cloud into that sandbox environment, and start to inventory and regression test that functionality. Once you get on the core update schedule, you will be bound to that update schedule instead of having the latitude of manually, kind of installing the managed package and doing it at your own. So it's going to be very important to proactively get that code ready so that when this comes to pass, you'll be able to take advantage not only of the schedule and the functions, but you don't run the risk of having your business take a step backwards in terms of functionality or business process at that time.
Got it. So Jason, if organizations are ready, that's great. Green light. We're super happy for them. If the organization hasn't really taken any necessary steps yet, right? Nespon does offer a Comms Cloud impact analysis for upgrades. That's an offering that we just released. Can you speak a little more about the offering and how that could help companies that are not necessarily in good shape yet to be ready for automatic upgrades in 24?
Yeah, and really the way to think about it is we recognize that, customers out there on Communications Cloud, they're not sitting waiting around for an upgrade. They've got their own teams, they've got their own innovation schedule and architecture roadmaps. There's a lot happening. So what we do is we come in and perform an impact analysis with our technical architects who have years of experience working with Communications Cloud to produce a heat map of these customizations and high-risk areas that a client may have in their code base. We've got some internal applications that we have written. We run those against the environment. We produce the heat map, and the heat map informs a roadmap and a prioritization schedule that we deliver to the client to say, hey, here are your areas of exposure, and here are the things and the sequence we recommend that you tackle between now and early 2024 when the new upgrade path gets implemented. Now, we also recognize that clients tend to like this one of two ways. Some of them have internal support teams that have the institutional knowledge. So if we come in, do the analysis, we produce an artifact that we can turn over to that team and they can run with it and take the ball forward. Other times where maybe there's no available resources or competing resources in an organization, we do have a team internally that we can bring and parachute in to perform that work for a client on their behalf so that they are ready, come what may, for early 2024. And they know and have confidence that their communications cloud is up to date, is ready to go, and they won't take a step backwards as we start this release cadence.
Super. Thanks for your time, Jason. If you would like to learn more about our Comms Cloud Impact Analysis offering, or just learn more about Nespon Solutions, see the link in the description, or just visit nespon.com. Thanks. Talk soon.